So in this question, you're given that p of x is the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 5. And q of x is 2x4 minus 3x2 plus 1 plus b. And the condition given is that both give the same remainder when divided by x plus 1. If that is so, find the value of b. If you're given one piece of information, you're asked to find one number. So from the information, try to create an equation and solve that. So what does remainder theorem say? When p of x is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is p of minus 1, right? When q of x is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is q of minus 1. According to the given information, both give the same remainder. That means these two are equal. So this implies p of x is this. What is p of minus 1? You just need to put minus 1 in the place of x. So minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus 3 times 1 minus 3 plus 2 times minus 1 is minus 2 plus 5 is equal to. Here also you just need to put minus 1 in the place of x. So you get 2 minus 3 plus b. So this implies 5 and minus 5 are getting cancelled. Minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus b. And this implies b is equal to 0. That means for this condition to be valid, the value of b has to be equal to 0. Thank you.